The train is developed military service and produce capable and experienced service is the mission of ROTC. As such, the cadets are being subjected to relatively the same military training as that of the regular members of the AFP in order to cope with the requirements of the service. Martin Cross marching between the following military drills and ceremonies, these activities instill in every cadet the value of discipline, structured lifestyle, and patriotism, manifesting through life of service to our country. Through the years, our reservists played very important roles in our nation building. While the regular soldiers focus on war fighting, their service keeps themselves busy on civic actions and community development programs. They serve on a voluntary basis and receive nothing but personal satisfaction from being a doer, not a mere spectator, a builder, and not a critic. The 244th Annual TCU was established in 1973 with Lieutenant Alejandro as its first commandant. The unit handles the basic military training covering military science 1 and 2. Those who have the background attitude to handle additional challenges, on the other hand, are subjected to various types of advanced military trainings like the seamanship training aboard naval ships, the field training exercises, and the jungle survival training where they are given a taste of how marines fight and survive in an unfavorable environment. In a brief manner called the adjutant squad, the chief adjutant positions himself these days in the line of troops and the troop commanders. Platoon leaders are now checking the alignment of their respective units to see if they are abreast to one another.
Iba na pag-temay.
The troop adjutant directs the company commanders to post their guide. The troop adjutant directs the company commanders to give parade rank. Adjutant directs the company commanders to give attention and present arms.
Sir.
National anthem.
Colors yun.
Sabi na nga ba, nagsasalpang na naman ng colors. Mali ba, sir?
Taas, buti nakahapon. Hindi naman nakita, sir.
May sarili command siguro sila.
Saan, sir? Kung sarili silang kumansar? Ba nang sumasabay dapat sa dito ng sir?
Oo. Saan na nga rin ng
Adjutant has just presented a troops to the police commander. In a short while, using the M1 Grand Rifle, the troops commander will give a series of manual of arms to exhibit the proficiency of their troops.
Ha? Nisira na yung tent dun.
Oh, pinaalis. Hala. Bakit?
The right shoulder arm. Left shoulder arm. Fourth arm. Shoulder arm.
Hindi tayo kasama.
Inspection arm.